Hey dolls, okay, real talk. I've tried a lot of pore vacuums in the past. You know that classic blackhead removers that basically just suck the soul out of your nose and leave your nose red and blotchy? Yeah, those. But I discovered an at home pore vacuum that's such a game changer. So I have been testing out this ViQure Hydrapore. It's like a hydrofacial and a thermal therapy in one. Think wet suction plus hydration. And it also has medical grade silicone edges for comfort. That combo removes impurities 30% more effectively while reducing redness by 50% compared to traditional extractors. And I was like, okay, let's see what this at home device can really do. So today I'm walking you through exactly how to use it and what was my results because I myself was really shocked. So let me walk you through how to use this ViQure Hydrapore. So step one is to get your device ready. So this has a water tank at the bottom and there's two separate parts. So all you have to do is fill the clear water side where you'll put the hose. Step two is to prep your skin. Now start with clean, dry skin. Since I'm using it at night, I did my double cleansing routine. Step three is to choose your suction level and your tip. So the round tip is great for your cheeks and your forehead, and the oval tip is great for your nose and creases. In terms of suction level, this one has three level of suctions. Level 1 having the lightest suction and level 3 as the strongest. I find that staying in level 1 for the rest of my face is ideal. The suction is already really strong, but I switch to level 2 when it comes to my nose area. And the best way to use this is to use it in a full cycle. So put it in a warm mode for 3 minutes to soften sebum and build up. Then switch to vacuum mode for another 3 minutes to suck out the gunk out of your skin. Then go to cleaning mode again for another 3 minutes for hydration. And lastly, choosing the ice mode for 3 minutes to reduce inflammation from the extraction. And don't worry because this device automatically stops after the 3-minute mark, which is great because you don't have to time yourself. It just automatically stops and does it for you, and which also avoids over exfoliating your face and irritation. And then after the session, I just splash my face with water and then I proceed on putting on a hydrating mask and then my serum and moisturizer. After using the device, just look at that used water tank. It's so cloudy and it's a mix of everything my skin didn't need: dead skin cells, excess oil, and leftover product. Basically, the gunk clogging my pores. And looking at my before and after photos, I can see less of the black dots on my nose. You can even see the empty holes on my after where the clog was removed. On my chin, it also looked less clogged and the dry flaky spots look smoother. And of course, I had to put out my skin microscope to see my skin up close. And this was my before and this is my after on my nose. And I was genuinely shocked on how cleaner my nose looks and also how it doesn't look dry. It still has this moisture. And that's my favorite part, the hydration. It didn't strip my skin like old school extractors, and I didn't feel dry or irritated the next day. And I also noticed that my makeup went on better. Like it wasn't clinging to dry, textured areas anymore. And I had less redness post use compared to other vacuums that I have tried. Now, let's talk tech because this is where the VCure really stands out. It's not just suctioning air, it's a hydrating facial vacuum that uses clean water flow to flush your pores while suctioning out impurities. So you're literally cleaning, hydrating, and extracting at the same time. And the water gets separated into a clean tank and a dirty tank, so there's no gross recycling happening. The other feature that I really like is the advanced thermal therapy. So the warm mode, it heats your skin to about 40 degrees Celsius. So it's like a mini warm towel compress and it helps open pores, soften up blackheads, and improve circulation. I think that this feature is like chef's kiss. And then after you're done, you switch to cool mode, which helps brings the temperature down to 4 degrees Celsius. This is also my favorite part because after an extraction, when you put on that cool mode, it really feels so nice on the skin. And it also calms any redness, reduce puffiness. It's literally like getting a hot towel and ice roller session in one. Now, don't get me wrong, I still love a good spa day, but this device, I can do it at home in my pajamas while watching Netflix. It's time saving because no appointment is needed. It's also budget friendly, especially if you're doing facials monthly. And it fits into my routine whenever I have time, even if it's like 10 p.m. and I'm like, okay, let's fix my skin tonight. So, yeah, I think using this at home hydrofacial vacuum once a month can be such a skin and schedule saver. I think that it's perfect to keep my skin clear between pro facials. I also like that this one did not dry my skin and it saves me money without compromising results. I also love that I can do it in my own time, in my own space, just me and my skincare. And honestly, if you're tired of dry suction tools or harsh extractions, this is 100% worth trying, especially if you're like me who's prone to clogged pores, and also if you have a lot of blackheads, dullness, or if you just want a gentler, deep clean. And if you have any questions about how it works, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to help. And I'll also be putting the link down below where to get it as well. And if you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss up my next upload. And as always, take care of your skin and take care of you. Bye!